Hey everybody,
My name is Rebecca.
I'm Chef Chris with Land O'Lakes Test Kitchen.
I'm Billy with the Land O'Lakes Test Kitchens.
Now brown sugar is a common ingredient when sweetening a variety of baked goods, sausage, marinades, and even bacon.
Brown sugar is a versatile ingredient that is used in everything from baked goods to meat rubs to sauces. For me, brown sugar is a key ingredient in achieving what I consider to be the perfect chocolate chip cookie. The ones that are soft and chewy.
And also can be kind of a tricky ingredient because what happens with brown sugar a lot of times? It gets solid, right? Once the moisture gets into it, the sugar will harden up. So there are different tricks that you can do when you're at home to soften the brown sugar that you already have. You could put it in the microwave for short increments of time and then stir it up.
Now let's say you're trying to make your, I don't know, your favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. You look in the cupboard and you're out of brown sugar. As long as you have regular white sugar and some molasses, you'll be just fine.
Depending on whether your molasses is light or dark, it doesn't really matter, but just don't be scared if your brown sugar that you create looks a lot darker than the other brown sugar that you would purchase at the store.
Take 1 cup regular sugar and 2 tablespoons of molasses and substitute this for your 1 cup of brown sugar.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope this video was helpful.
If you have any other questions, please come to the landolakes.com website. We have all sorts of articles, videos, and we also have expert advice for you. So just reach out, we're here for you, and happy baking.
Also, don't forget to tell us what you thought and what video topics you want us to cover in the future. So until next time, happy baking everyone.
Happy baking and stay safe out there, guys.